Lokara Kenya.
Hello everybody, welcome to the post-match press conference with Afghanistan. We have Rashid Khan with us. I'd just like to make a reminder for everyone on Zoom to please keep yourself on mute. If you'd like to ask a question, then please raise your hand. As previously mentioned, if we could please keep questions related to cricket only. I will now hand over to Afghanistan's cricket spokesperson, Farid Hotak.
ډیره زیاته مننه پرونی خبري کانفرنس کې زموږ سره د افغانستان نوموته استوره ښاغلی راشد خان ده چې دوی ته ښه راغلاست وایي کانفرنس کې ډیره زیاته مننه مړی بیا هم لکه څنګه چې دوی یادونه وکوله ستاسو ټولو څخه هیله ده چې د لوبې په اړه پوښتنه وکړئ او هیله ده چې له سیاسي پوښتنو څخه ډډه وکړئ. Thank you.
We'll start with questions in English first and then we'll move to Pashto. Any English questions in the room?
Assalamu alaikum Rashid bhai, Shakir Abbasi from Islamabad. I want to ask you, what was your game plan when the toss and bowling first? What was the target to restrict India in your mind and कहाँ पर आप नाकाम हुए?
वालेकुम सलाम. जी बिल्कुल, looking to the wicket ऐसा लग रहा था कि it's a kind of wicket where you can chase 170, 180, but that extra 30 runs, it's always like a good side. Like in India, they have a deep batting lineup, so they tried, to use that last 3-4 hours with which they took the total to 210. But yeah, I think that was a kind of mindset as well as the players that they already Indian team they struggled in the first two games in the batting department. So we as a team tried to just attack on that and that department which they struggled. And if we got a success, we can be on a winning side. So they played a good cricket and they just took the target to 210, which was on this wicket a bit much, like 20-25 runs. But yeah, credit goes to them.
Hi Rashid, after you guys lost early wickets, it was always difficult to play catch up. So with the New Zealand game also being very important from a net run rate point of view, did you have to sort of change your approach and sort of protect your net run rate after the early wickets?
Definitely, that's the kind of thing we had in the mind after losing few wickets. As a team, we planned to go there and score as many runs as possible, just to focus more on the run rate. And that might play a main role in the last game when we're playing against New Zealand. That could be a big difference at the end. So, yeah, the message was clear. Like, just go play a smart cricket and play 20 overs and get as many as possible. So that was the kind of mindset of the players. Can hear you.
Hi Rashid, Shubhayan Chakravarti from TV9. Rashid, just wanted to know that you generally don't concede that many runs in T20 cricket. You conceded at a run rate of economy rate of 9 today. So what do you feel was different today? Was it the Indian batters' intent, or there was something wrong with the pitch or the conditions today?
I think only 2 ball difference in a whole spell. One, he played a good shot, and one, I bowled a bad ball. Those 2 sixes, otherwise my economy would have been 6, 5.5. So that was, I think, a difference. But looking to the wicket, it was pretty hard for the spinner. It wasn't, you don't get that kind of wicket here in this condition. But it wasn't that much spinning, but still, you have to use your experience. I think main difference was the couple of balls, those 2 sixes.
Rashid, do you think that a bit of sheer pressure of expectation, or it was sheer batting power that took the game away from you?
I don't think so. There is a kind of pressure on us expectation wise. We know our skills, but it's all about playing against those big teams. It takes time. We have to play with them more in a year in order to get used to with them and on your area. But yeah, as a team, we try our best, and according to Mujib, I think as we don't have any like
Rashid, Afghanistan have played at all three venues this tournament. So can you just tell us the challenges and the adjustments that are required for every venue?
Definitely, it's pretty hard, just everything totally changes when the venue changes. When you go to Sharjah, totally different wicket. Dubai, different in Abu Dhabi. But I think as a professional player, you have to adjust yourself. We played enough cricket in this situation, in these conditions, and we know what will be the reaction of the Sharjah wicket, what will be the reaction of the rest of the wicket. So we already have that kind of mentality, and mentally we are ready for that. So as a professional player, you shouldn't be making those kind of excuses that this wicket is not as good for the batting or bowling, but still you have to stand up and deliver for the team. So yeah, there is a difference, but you still need to adjust yourself and play a professional cricket.
Great, thank you. Two more English questions before moving to Pashto on Zoom. Shaban Madan, followed by Mohammed Adres.
Yeah. Hi, Rashid. So my question is being to you that after the performance of today, will pay anything to the momentum of the Afghanistan team for the upcoming matches? Like will it shift any kind of momentum? like the way you are playing together?
I don't think so. It's going to make big difference to us as a team. We know India is one of the best teams, but still, the preparations remain the same, the mindset remains the same, and we know the process. As long we keep the process simple, we know which process we come up with against any side. So we will just try our best as a team to keep the same process, come against India, New Zealand in the next game, and play with a fresh mind. That could be quarterfinal for us as well. If we win, we have a good run rate, so we could be the team to be in the semi-final. So no pressure, you just need to go there, enjoy your skills, enjoy your cricket. And as long you are enjoying, I think there is more chances you could perform.
Thank you, Rashid.
Thank you.
Hi, Rashid. Adris Malik from Crackline. In this tournament, Afghanistan displays very nice. Especially credit goes to you and Nabi. And what do you think? There are some senior players like Asar Khan announced their retirement. Is there any impact on the team? And what's your morale for the next match against New Zealand?
Morale is high. I think it can be done with one game. We know our skills, we know our talent, and we have enough experienced players in the side who have played many T20 World Cups for Afghanistan, and we're going to use that. Yeah, definitely Asghar retirement was a very shock for everyone, as a player for me as well. Someone who led the team 5-6 years. He did really well in that era, and he took the team to a very good position. But still, we have that side, we have that ability, we have those skills and talent which can replace them. It might take a little bit time, but still we have, those players who can replace that spot, and the morale will be high against New Zealand. As I said before, that will be a kind of quarterfinal for us, and nothing to change. Express the skills, enjoy the cricket, and keep smiling in the center.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Am I done?
طيب سيب
लोकल अच्छी लोकल
طيب سيب مهرباني خوشحال طيب
سلامونه راشد خان په لوبه کې خو ګټل او بایلل دواړه شته خو د نن لوبې کمزوري تر ډیره چې کتل کېدل بولینګ کې لږ کمزوري وه دلته ډېر چانس نبي او کریم جنت ته ورنه کول شو دواړو یو اور وکړ نظر نور بالرانو ته دوی ښه هم وو ولې چانس دوی ته ورنه کول شو چې دوی هم خپل سکیلز وکاروي
اتمن کو ګوره وکټ هغه سي وکټ نه ولا چې بولینګ د پاره ډېر زیات سپورټ وي او هیلپ وک بولرانو سره خو بیا هم کاغي بیټسمنانو ګوري په وخت کې زما په نظر نبی بولینګ هغه سي ځای نه جوړې دي ځکه چې دواړه رائټ هینډ بیټسمنان ولاړو او سیټ بیټسمنانو نو هغه ته بیا هغه وخت کې اف سپینر لک اسانه وی او هغه بیا هغه وخت نه هغه اور نه फायदा اخلي بالکل کریم جنت چې څنګه یو اور تر سره ک خو بیا هم مونږ ټول ټیم کې تقریبا شپږ بولران دي چې هغه پراپر بولران دي او کولای شي په هر ټایم اني ټایم د وی خو بولینګ تر سره کا نو زما په نظر ګلبدین هم خو اپشنو چې پاکستان خلاف میچ کې هغه کوم اور نو تر سره کړي خو بیا هم نن شروع ورنغړ خو بدبختانه لاست اور کې لګ رنز راغله خو بیا هم ګلبدین او دغه سي نوین او حمید هغه وخت کې خلک یو خو صرف دومره چې هغه لاست اور صحیح فینش نشو رنزونه پکې راغله
مننه وصال صاحب
مننه راشد خان سلامونه جوړ بخیر
وعلیکم السلام
زما پوښتنه دا ده چې تاسو نبی وګټه نو څه فکر کوئ غلطه پریکړه نه و چې تاسو اول باید بیټینګ کړی بیا بالینګ ځکه افغانستان همیشه په چیسینګ کې ستونزه لري او بل د نیوزیلند پر وړاندې لوبه ډو اور ډای ده تاسو څومره مدای اسوته
مننه مهرباني
تاس لحاظ نه خو مونږ الریډي کلیرو مونږ دا سوچ چې مونږ به انډیا ته بیټینګ اول ورکو په دې چې انډیا بیټینګ په 13 میچونو کې هم هغه سرنزونه نو تر سره کړي او یو کې 150 او بل کې 110 رنز تر سره کړي خو بیا هم مونږ ویل چې هغه بیټینګ چې کوم ځکه ډېر مشکلات لري باید پاغه منی اول ټیک کوي که شاید دوی 150 رنز کې نو مونږ ته چانس جوړیږي چې دغه رنزونه د هدف پوره کو او بل دویم اننګز کې مونږ ایکسپیکټ کول چې ګراوند کې ډیو هم بول لومدیږي او زموږ سپینران ته هغه څه هیلپ نه وي بیا نو د دې وجه وه چې مونږ لومړی بولینګ پرېکړه وکړه او بل میچ په اړه لا ورځې شته دی پکې 2 ورځې 3 ورځې نو تیاری به انشاءالله ښیي او کوشش به کوو چې نن په میچ کې څومره پازیټیو شیان وي هغه ځان سره واخلو او نیکسټ میچ ته یوسو.
السلام علیکم راشد خان، اول خو تاسو ته مبارکي وایم، تاسو 100 وکټې واغستې. زه جمیل حسن مشرق ټي وي پاکستان نه تاسو نه یو ټیکنیکل سوال کوم د اصغر افغان ریټایرمنټ په باره کې. په پلیئرز باندې ښه وخت هم راځي بد وخت هم راځي، کله پلیئر ښه پرفارمنس وکړي نیکسټ میچ کې د هغې نه هم ښه پرفارمنس وکړي، بیا منځ کې پکې خراب پرفارمنس وکړي، نو د فینس د طرف نه ډېر زیات کریټیسزم کیږي. دا کریټیسزم تاسو ایز ا پلیئر ایز ا پروفیشنل پلیئر تاسو څنګه زغمئ؟ آیا تاسو ته یو سایکولوژیکل ایکسپرټ ضرورت وي کنه تاسو ته د فینز یو مینه پکار وي چې خیر دی دا پرفارمنس تاسو خراب وکړو نیکسټ میچ کې ان شاء الله کوشش وکړئ دا غلطي به نه دوهراویږي، نو تاسو دې اړه باره کې څه وایي؟
وعلیکم سلام. بالکل فینز همیشه چې کله پرفارمنس ونه شي هغوی ریاکشن ښایي خفګان ظاهروي، خو بیا هم زما په نظر یو پروفیشنل ایز ا پروفیشنل پلیئر ته باید د هر یو کنډیشن سره خپل ځان بلد کړي، که ښه حالات یې هغې کې باید ته خپل ځان کنټرول وساتې، که بد حالات یې زما په نظر هغې ته باید سړی ډېر زیات سوچ ونه کړي، هغه صرف یو جذبات د فینز یو وخت د پاره یي او هغوی په خپل ځای باندې صحیح، ځکه چې کله به مونږ لوبې کتلې نو مونږ به هم همدغه شیان زړه کې راتلله چې پلانکي ښه لوبه ونه کړه دا داسې وکړه د هغه داسې وکړه. نو زما په نظر دا خبرې هر ځای کې په هر لوبغاړي باندې که ته یو 10 مین اف د میچز هم واخلې او په 2 میچو کې بیا ښه پرفارمنس ته سر نه کړې حتما به تا ته هغه ریاکشن راځي چې فینز هغه 10 میچونه هېروي، خو بیا هم ایز ا پروفیشنل کرکټر که ته غواړې چې غټ کرکټ وکړې نو ته باید غټ زړه هم وساتې او هغې دې حالات سره ځان ایډجسټ کړې. نو حتما د هغوی ریاکشن ای په سوشل میډیا کې هغوی خبرې هم وي، خو هر لوبغاړي ته خپل ځان معلومات چې زه کولی شم هغه صرف یو بده ورځ وي ونه شي پرفارمنس هغه خپل ځای، خو بیا هم لوبغاړي ته خپل معلومات چې کوم ځای کې ما غلطي وکړه باید په هغې باندې زه کار وکړم او آینده میچونو کې زه ښه وځلیږم. نو که دا خبرې مونږ هر څومره مو وکړو چې فینس دې باید کریټیسایز نه کړي پلیران، خو بیا هم دا خبرې راځي ځکه هغوی جذبات کنټرول ډېر مشکل دی او هغوی خپل په خپل ځای باندې صحیح دي، خو ایز ا پلیئر ته باید دې هر شي ته مینټلی ریډي اوسې.
مننه. وروستۍ پوښتنه راخلو عرفان.
راشد خان السلام علیکم. زما پوښتنه دا ده 4 الراونډرانو پښتون کې شرف الدین اشرف لوبول آیا سمه پرېکړه وه؟ او بله پوښتنه دا کوم چې آیا تاسو اوس هم فکر کوئ افغانستان فاست بولرانو کمۍ سره مخ دی؟
بالکل که وګورې شرف الدین په تیرو میچونو کې چې څومره میچونه هم شوي دي د افغانستان پریپریشن میچونه هغه ښه ځلېدلی په بیټینګ کې او مونږ ایز ا ټیم هغه باندې ډېر بیټینګ ایکسپیکټیشن و هغه نه بدبختانه لږ وروسته ووته، خو بیا هم شرف الدین بیټینګ الراونډر دی هغه کولی شي چې اول ته د ښه بیټینګ درکړي او بیا بولینګ هم. نو په T20 کې که وګورې تا سره څومره هم زیات الراونډرز وي تا ته بیا مشکلات ډېر کم وي، هره لوبډله همدا کوشش شي چې مونږ زیات نه زیات الراونډران په ټیم کې واخلو ځان سره. زما په نظر دا یو ښه پرېکړه وه، خو بیا هم کله هغه کار وکړه کله ونه کړه دا کرکټ ته راځي پکې. بله خبره د فاست بالینګ واقعا مونږ لږ سټرګل کوو فاست بالینګ نه په دې سټیج باندې غټ ټیمونو خلاف تا سره باید 140 پلس 145 پلس بولران وي چې کله هغه بولران تا سره راشي بیا ستا سپینرز ډېر زیات افیکټیو وي په دې لوبډلو باندې. نو انشاءالله به وخت سره راځي زمونږ خو لا کرکټ اوس سټارټ دی، اوس به دې نه وروسته کوشش کوو چې دغسې نوي ځوانان راشي او شته دی هم انشاءالله په هغوی باندې چې لږ کار وشي په آینده کې به تاسو وګورئ چې افغانستان نه به هم داسې بولران وي چې هغه به 140 145 پلس بولینګ کوي.
ډیره مننه راشد خان چې موږ ته کافي وخت راکړ او د ژورنالستانو پوښتنو ته مو ځواب ورکړ. ډیره مننه.
Thank you for 100 questions.
Thank you. ډیره مننه. Thank you everyone.
long time. Such press conference. Zoom पे हो रहा है press conference आजकल.
Hello. Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, we have with us Mr. Rohit Sharma, who's the vice captain of the Indian cricket team, and he's also the man of the match today. He's here to address the press conference. Please raise hand and wait for your turn. Yes. Yes, Amol, and then Sunandan sir, and then Rasesh, then K.R. Nair sir.
Rohit, what is it that changed suddenly? Was it the change in the venue or the fact that there is only one approach now on, that you just have to go for it, go for the kill, be with the bat or the ball?
Yeah, to be honest, it's very much that kind of a situation for us. We know that if we lose any game from here on now, we are out of the tournament. So we have to win everything. And when you are in that kind of situation, you have to play fearlessly, not think too much about what is happening or what is happening elsewhere. So I think the approach today from everyone was different, and I mean, I wish it was in the first two games as well, but it didn't happen. But that can happen when you are on the road for a long time. Decision making sometimes can be a problem, and that is exactly what happened in the first two games. We are a very good team. It's just that we were not good on that particular day, against Pakistan and New Zealand. But yes, today the game we played, it's pretty much sums it up that this is the kind of team we are, and when we play fearlessly, this is what we get.
रोहित, इसी से जुड़ा सवाल है कि इतने साल आप क्रिकेट खेले हो, मेहनत होती है, प्लानिंग होती है, लेकिन कभी क्रिकेट में जो एग्जीक्यूशन है वो होता है, कभी नहीं होता है. ये इसके बारे में आप क्या सोचते हो कि क्यों होता है ऐसे? कभी आपने जिक्र किया है इसका?
नहीं, अभी देखिए जिस तरीके से जितना क्रिकेट हम लोग खेल रहे हैं और जिस तरीके का लाइफ अभी चल रहा है, समटाइम्स थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है, बिकॉज एवरी टाइम यू आर ऑन द फील्ड यू हैव टू मेक राइट डिसीजन. हमेशा आप जब ग्राउंड पे जाओगे आपको सही डिसीजन लेना पड़ता है, तो उसके लिए आपका माइंड और मेंटल एस्पेक्ट जो है वो फ्रेश रहना बहुत ज़रूरी है. तो आई थिंक कहीं ना कहीं वहाँ पे हमारे से वो डिसीजन मेकिंग जो था वो ठीक से हो नहीं पाया ग्राउंड पर, चाहे वो बैटिंग की आप बात कर लो या बॉलिंग की बात कर लो. तो ये सब चीज़ें होती है जब आप काफ़ी क्रिकेट खेलते हो. एक मेंटली आपको गेम से थोड़ा दूर जाना ज़रूरी है, थोड़ा सा माइंड रिफ़्रेश करना ज़रूरी है. बट अगेन जब आप वर्ल्ड कप खेलते हो आपका पूरा फोकस गेम पे होना चाहिए. आपको ध्यान लगाना चाहिए कि आपको क्या करना है क्या नहीं करना है. बट वो पहले दो गेम में हो नहीं पाया, तो इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि हम सडनली ख़राब प्लेयर हो गए या ख़राब टीम हो गए. कंसिस्टेंटली हमने क्रिकेट अच्छा खेला हुआ है इतने सालों से. तो एक या दो गेम अगर ख़राब होता है तो इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि सारे प्लेयर ख़राब है और सारी टीम ख़राब है, जो टीम को चला रहे वो ख़राब है. समटाइम्स थोड़ा यू हैव टू रिफ्लेक्ट कि क्या हुआ, क्या गलतियाँ हुई, एंड देन यू कम बैक. तो अभी हमने ये मैच में वही किया, जो भी गलतियाँ हमने पिछली दो गेमों में किया था, हमने कोशिश किया कि ये गेमों में ना हो, आने वाले गेमों में ना हो. ग्राउंड पे हम जा ही सकते हैं, हमारे हाथ में यही है कि गलतियाँ जो है वो कम से कम किया जाए, क्योंकि आप जब गेम खेल रहे हो, इतना प्रेशर वाला गेम खेल रहे हो, गलतियाँ होंगी, बट कोशिश ये रहती है कि गलती कम हो.
Rohit, a couple of things. How satisfying was it to get as many runs that you got against Rashid Khan as a team, and personally as well, those couple of sixes, stepping down against him, just that phase of the match. And secondly, your reactions to BCCI announcing Rahul Dravid as the new head coach, just joining hands with him, looking ahead.
Yeah, I mean, firstly, it was important for us to get off to a good start. If we talk about our batting, which didn't happen in the first two games, that's where we struggle a little bit to create that momentum in the first 6 overs. So there was a conscious effort. We were talking, myself and KL, we were talking about it, that we need to get a team a good start, and how we can do that is by playing our game, whatever that may be, however we want to play. But yeah, we took our chances. Sorry, we took our chances in the middle. It came off. So that's the whole game. I mean, you take your chances. It comes off. It comes off. If it doesn't come off, you have to start again from the scratch. The batter who comes in have to start again from the scratch. And we wanted to take some risk because it was important for us when the power play is going on. You try and make the best use of that, and we took our chances. It came off, and yeah, I would. Is it official? Oh, we're playing. Obviously, we're playing the game, so I had no idea. Congratulations to him for coming back, but in different capacity in the Indian team. We look forward to working with him. He's a stalwart of Indian cricket, and it'll be nice working with him in the future.
Rohit, is it an answer to that the batting first or the pitch doesn't play a role in a positive approach? Do you think so?
I mean, see, when you post a total like that, you can take the pitch, the conditions, the due factor out of the play. If you bat like that, if you keep getting consistently 200, which is a very, very challenging one to do. In Dubai, I mean, we've seen the teams who have batted first have not scored as many runs as they would like to. But definitely due plays a big part in the second innings. The ball tends to come nicely compared to what happens in the first inning. It just grips a little more because of the dryness in the pitch. But it's definitely a factor and an advantage to the team batting second. But as long as we keep batting like that, we get 200. We don't have to worry about the pitch and the conditions.
Please introduce yourself before you ask a
question. Hi Rohit, this is Deva from Cricinfo. Some IPL players sort of play different roles for their IPL side. So did the team sort of need a little bit of extra time to sort of ease into their roles with this team going ahead to the World Cup?
Not really, to be honest. I mean, all these guys. If I look at the top 6-7 batter, myself, KL, Virat, Pant, Surya, Hardik, and then Jaddu. These guys have been playing for a long time, so they don't need to be told what they need to do in the Indian team. What they do for their franchisee is their lookout, but when they come here, they know the role. It's not that they're playing the first game or the second game for the team. They've been here for a long time now, so they understand their roles, what they need to do, what they do for their franchisees. Really not my concern. What they do here at the moment is my concern, and we've laid out the role pretty clearly as to what they have to do when they go out in the middle. This 7 batters that I took names of, we've been batting consistently for a long period of time now, and nobody needs to told what they need to do when they go to bat. It's pretty simple. These guys are all experienced, and when you have experience in the team, it's just about going and adapting to the situation as quickly as possible.
रोहित शाकिर अब्बासी है, इस्लामाबाद बेस्ड जर्नलिस्ट. मैं पूछना ये चाह रहा हूँ आपसे कि क्या आज की इनिंग्स से हिटमैन वापस आ गया, उसका मोमेंटम उससे मिल गया, और इंडियन टीम को कितना इससे फ़ायदा हुआ, और साथ ही जो फैंस हैं दोनों जानिब एक और इंडिया पाकिस्तान टाकरे के सोच रहे थे फाइनल में, तो क्या इंडियन टीम ये पैगाम दे रही है अपनी फॉर्म वापस आने से कि उन्हें अब ये सोचना चाहिए दोबारा से?
देखिए, मेरी फॉर्म की आपने बात की. मुझे अच्छा लगा आज बैटिंग करके. हमारे लिए ऊपर के जो बैट्समैन हैं उनका रन बनना बहुत ज़रूरी था. तो बड़ी खुशी हो रही है कि मेरे साथ केएल राहुल, उन्होंने अच्छी पारी खेली. वो ओपनिंग पार्टनरशिप जो थी बहुत क्रूशल थी हमारे टीम के लिए. तो ऊपर के 4 बैट्समैन अगर फॉर्म में रहते तो क्योंकि ज़्यादा बॉल्स वो ऊपर के 4 बैट्समैन खेलते तो उनका फॉर्म में रहना बहुत ज़रूरी है. तो मैं समझता हूँ कि हमारे 4-5 बैट्समैन अच्छे फॉर्म में है ऊपर के. इसीलिए पहले 2 गेम में वो कंसिस्टेंसी बैट्समैन से हो नहीं पाई, सारे बैट्समैन आउट हो गए. बट आज हमारे लिए अच्छा मौका था रन बनाने का, और सारे बैट्समैन ने अच्छा कंट्रीब्यूट किया. और जहाँ तक आप फाइनल की बात कर रहे हैं, हमारे लिए अभी वो रास्ता काफ़ी दूर है. अफ़गानिस्तान और न्यूजीलैंड के बीच में हमारा मुकाबला होगा कि कौन मैच जीते, कौन हारे. और हमारे लिए भी चैलेंजिंग होगा दोनों मैच जीतना। तो हम फ़िलहाल इतना दूर का नहीं सोच सकते, हमें सोचना है कि हमारा जो नेक्स्ट मैच है उसके बारे में, और उसके पहले अफ़गानिस्तान और न्यूजीलैंड का मैच है, तो वो हमारे लिए काफ़ी क्रूशल मैच होगा। हम नहीं खेल रहे बट हमारे लिए फिर भी क्रूशल मैच होगा। फिर उसके बाद हमारी मैच है, तो अभी रास्ता काफ़ी दूर है फाइनल का।
Hi Rohit, Shubhayan Chakravarti from TV9. Rohit, congratulations on the win. First of all, a word on Ravichandran Ashwin's inclusion today. He bowled a terrific spell. He was coming into the T20I side after 2017. So what sort of conversation did you have with him when he was not playing in the England tour or now in the T20 World Cup? And another thing, how different was this pitch different to the Dubai pitch?
I mean, the conversation with me and Ashwin through the UK tour was about where we should take our kids, which park we should take them. It was nothing about cricket, to be honest. We were only discussing, he's got two beautiful daughters. I've got a daughter as well. So we were only discussing which theme park we should be going to during our off time. But see, I mean, you saw his quality today. He's a quality bowler without a doubt. He's played so much cricket now and taken so many wickets. Obviously, playing for India in limited overs, he also knows that it was a challenge for him because he was playing after 3 or 4 years. But he was playing IPL consistently and he was bowling really well. And he's someone who's a wicket-taking option. Anytime you give him the ball, he comes to take wickets. He's not there to survive or just to bowl his 6 balls and get away. He's always looking to take wickets, and when you have someone like him in the squad, in playing 11, it gives that advantage, that you have someone in the middle who can take wickets. And that's the quality of him. He understands his bowling really well, and has bowled really well in IPL. He's coming off from a good form as well, so I'm glad that he could contribute to our success today, and I hope we can do the same in the next few games that we play as well. I mean, pitch was pretty much what we played in IPL. I mean, see, honestly, the pitch here doesn't change too much. Just the dew factor when it comes on just gets slightly better to bat in the second innings. That's my reading about the pitch, even in Dubai. When you bat first, it's slightly holding on to the pitch, slightly too pace, I would say. And then when you bat second, it's just nice and easy. With the dew, it comes on nicely. You can just, pick your shots and play it. Thank you, guys.